Hey friends, what's up? Today I'm going to talk about a really sad case, the murder of a teenage boy named Yasser Nazir that happened over 23 years ago, but still hasn't been solved. This is a story that shook the community of Bradford back in 2001. It involves gang violence, revenge killings, and a young life cut short in a brutal way. Stick around to hear all the chilling details. On September 5th, 2001, 16-year-old Yasser Nazir was driving around with two of his friends in a stolen car. They had just left a police station in Bradford. As they were driving, another car started swerving in front of them, trying to block their way. Yasser pulled into a gas station, but then a second car pulled up right next to them. In a shocking moment, someone in that second car leaned out and shot Yasser twice in the head at point-blank range. It was described as an execution-style killing. Despite being gravely wounded, Yasser managed to drive a little further before collapsing. He died from the gunshot wounds. So why was this teenager so brutally murdered? Well, according to the police investigation, it seems Yasser got caught up in a vicious gang war that was happening in the town of Keighley. There were two rival gangs going after each other in tit-for-tat revenge attacks. A month before Yasser's murder, a senior member of one gang had been shot. The theory is that Yasser's killing was payback for that earlier shooting. When the gang members saw Yasser leaving the police station, they took the opportunity to strike in a planned, targeted attack to get their revenge. Despite arresting 10 people in connection with the case, the police were never able to charge anyone for Yasser's murder due to a lack of evidence. No one was willing to come forward and identify the shooter out of fear from the gangs. In 2008, at the inquest into Yasser's death, the coroner recorded it as an unlawful killing. But over 20 years later, his family is still waiting for justice. His brother pleaded for anyone with information to be brave and speak up, saying it could be one of your family next time. So there you have it, folks. The deeply tragic but still unsolved case of Yasser Nazir's murder. A young life wasted due to senseless gang violence. His killer is still out there walking free. Maybe by sharing this story, someone who knows something will finally come forward after over 2 decades. Yasser's family deserves answers and justice. They've suffered enough. Let me know your thoughts on this disturbing cold case in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another interesting story. Take care.